Alright. So yeah, hi guys. This video will be majorly for CAT 2026 or 2027, the future aspirants of CAT. Not exactly for the people who are preparing for GDPA or trying to do their MBA this year. Yeah, so let's start. While preparing for CAT 2026, you have to also prepare with the right resources for the same, right? Because choosing the right resources will make or break your whole preparation, or it will help you a lot in throughout the journey. So today I'm going to tell you about three free resources which has helped a lot of 99 plus percentilers in achieving the percentiles which you have in CAT 2025. And the good part is all of these are absolutely free. First, daily targets by iQuanta, where you can attempt one RC, one lrdi set, and 5 questions of QA daily for free of cost. Every day, new topic questions in a time test and its analysis features like its test solutions, leaderboards, and the strategies to improve your score from what it is right now. You can go to the website and get access to CAT PYQs and their topic wise segregation, which has topic wise practice questions. Second, iQuanta CAT preparation community. India's largest CAT preparation community with over 4 lakh aspirants. And over there, you can ask your prep, you can ask anything, where you can connect with CAT toppers and IM alumni. Over there, you will also get 24/7 doubt solving and free study material, plus all the CAT and OMET exams updates. Next, CAT preparation YouTube channel of iQuanta, where you get the full access to arithmetic, algebra, geometry playlist on YouTube and the CAT RC playlist by Shabana ma'am. YouTube channel is full of practice playlist and provides updated content on MBA colleges, CAT exams and strategies. All these resources are free and has helped more than 600 plus iQuanta 99 plus percentilers to score that high. Last but not the least, I have shared an Excel sheet in the comments in the description below. I will also share in the comments down there where there is of all the three sections, of all the particular subsections, all of their videos segregated particular topic wise. So all of that in one Excel sheet so that it becomes easy for you to get a structured prep over there. Right, so do check that out. I think it's very helpful for you for this journey. Along with that, there are tests as well in that same Excel sheet, so you can use that and start your preparation right away. And it's all of this is completely free of cost. They are all updated free resources, so I strongly recommend you check them out. All links are given in the description and even in the pinned comments below, so go ahead and check them out. And that will be it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, if you have anything which you want to share or to ask, drop it on the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out. So yes, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.